I'm gonna burp with my pop. Before anything, I just want to say, thank you for subscribing, whoever did subscribe, and thank you for commenting. Random strangers, I've never got comments from random strangers before, so thank you. Oh, that was weird. Okay. I have sad news. 2 sad news actually this way. Okay. Well, first, we got to take home the gecko, Pearl the gecko, like you saw in some of my other videos. And today while I was at the beach with my sister and my neighbors, my brother somehow found out to get into the gecko's cage, and no, you're not supposed to touch her, like hold her by the tail, or else she'll eject her tail and never grows back. Well, he obviously, he's a 4-year-old. He does the exact opposite of what everybody tells him not to do. So he was holding Pearl by the tail, and then my mom just comes in and then into the living room, and then he brings the gecko and the tail to Mom, and he's trying to like put the tail back on. He's like, "Mom, it's broken," and she's not the same anymore. Some more sad news. My brother went missing today for about 45 minutes. My mom had to call the police, and my brother was found on the other side of the city in, I think it's on Reimer. The house with all the minions, the one beside it, the one with the tent, I don't know. But beside the house with all the minions and the tanks and stuff, like the creative stuff, he was missing, and then they came home and in a cop car, and yeah, so see the video, it's Pearl the Gecko, that one of my videos, and you'll see the comment, the very, very long comment that I wrote. Oh, come on, okay. Very long comment that I wrote about it, and I'm still super sad. Onto the burping. I'm gonna barf. Stay. Sit. Ah! Someone makes me burp. Like if you burp instead of I don't know. Okay, I'm a faker. Oh, come on. That was not good. Burp compilation. Kinda. Kinda. P.S. You guys should do your own video. I cannot burp today. That's more like it. Sorry, I'm still a little shaken from the incident. Unibrow. Whenever I feel depressed about my unibrow, I call it a unicorn brow, just because I love unicorns and stuff. By the way, it's my birthday in like almost 3 days. Like 3 days and a couple of hours. So comment happy birthday if you want, because it makes me feel better. Hey, Mommy.
Yes.
I'm doing a video about burping, like that guy wanted to.
Nice.
Like the JGBF, whatever his name was. I'm almost done this can of pop. I only have like a few sips left. Wait. Last sip of pop. Come on. Look. Oh, part of my nose. Oh, ew. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the video. Okay, bye.